Allama Iqbal, a name that reverberates through history, is celebrated as a multifaceted luminary who left an indelible mark on the cultural, intellectual, and political landscape of the Indian subcontinent. Born on November 9, 1877, in Sialkot, a town in British India, Iqbal emerged as a poet, philosopher, and visionary whose ideas ignited the flames of independence and self-discovery. His literary works, infused with spiritual insight and a fervent call for unity and empowerment, continue to inspire generations. Iqbal's early life was marked by intellectual curiosity and a yearning for knowledge. He excelled academically, earning a bachelor's degree from Government College, Lahore, and later completing a master's degree in philosophy from the University of Cambridge. His exposure to Western philosophical ideas, along with his deep understanding of Islamic thought, laid the foundation for his unique synthesis of spiritual and philosophical concepts. Iqbal's poetry, often composed in Persian and Urdu, served as a vehicle for his philosophical ideas and socio-political vision. His poems were imbued with themes of self-realization, spiritual awakening, and the revival of Islamic heritage. Through his verses, Iqbal exhorted individuals to rise above materialism and embrace their inner potential. He believed that a reawakening of Islamic values would be the path to societal regeneration. Iqbal's poetry also resonated with the struggle for independence from British colonial rule. His poems encouraged unity among Muslims and fostered a sense of pride in their cultural identity. Iqbal's famous poem "Lab pe aati hai dua banke tamanna meri" became an anthem for school children and encapsulated his desire for a brighter future. At his core, Iqbal was a philosopher who sought to bridge the gap between the East and the West. His philosophical works, such as the reconstruction of religious thought in Islam, delved into topics like spirituality, ethics, and the role of religion in modern times. Iqbal emphasized the importance of ijtihad, independent reasoning within Islam, advocating for a dynamic interpretation of religious principles that would harmonize with scientific and philosophical advancements. Iqbal's concept of the self, Khudi, was central to his philosophy. He believed that individuals must cultivate their inner selves to realize their full potential and contribute positively to society. This idea of self-realization tied into his vision of a united Muslim community that could overcome challenges and achieve self-governance. Iqbal's influence on the political trajectory of the Indian subcontinent was profound. His idea of a separate Muslim state, which eventually materialized as Pakistan in 1947, was a result of his concern for the political and cultural rights of Muslims within a predominantly Hindu-majority India. Although he did not live to witness the creation of Pakistan, his ideas catalyzed the movement for a separate homeland. In conclusion, Allama Iqbal's legacy is one of intellectual brilliance, poetic grandeur, and visionary insight. His poetry continues to inspire people to seek self-discovery, embrace their cultural roots, and work towards societal upliftment. His philosophical contributions remind us of the importance of harmonizing tradition with progress and fostering a spirit of independent thought. Iqbal's dream of a united and empowered Muslim community led to the birth of Pakistan, a testament to the enduring impact of his ideas on the political landscape. As we reflect on his life and work, we are reminded of his call for individuals to rise above limitations and realize their true potential, a message that transcends time and remains relevant in the quest for a better world.